Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and like to test makeup products, and in today's video I'm going to test a new blush, and I have this new terracotta blush from Guerlain. This is my first Guerlain blush. I have it on my skin right now, and I'm going to create this easy everyday makeup look by using some of my favorite makeup products. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. In today's video I'm going to test a new blush, and for all of the other makeup products that I'm going to use, I have a first impression video here on my channel. I'll just give you some updates if I have any, and I'll also list everything down in the description box below. And I'm going to start with my foundation, and for my foundation I'm going to use this new Makeup Forever HD Skin Hydra Glow Foundation. I've used this new foundation for the first time in my last video, and I did a wear test. So if you want to see the first impression video for this foundation, I highly recommend you to check my last video. As a little update since my last video, I have to say that I like this foundation. I don't have this foundation in my perfect shade, but I can still wear it. It's not the most long-lasting foundation on my oily skin, but if I apply a lot of powder and a setting spray, I can make this foundation last very well all day on my skin. So I want to use this foundation again today because I want to do a very simple and natural makeup look, and this foundation is perfect. Very pretty finish with this foundation. My skin looks even, glowy and healthy, so this is very nice. Next I'm going to apply my concealer, and for today I'm going to use this new Laura Mercier concealer. This is the Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Concealer. I also use this as my eyeshadow base. And next I'm going to set everything in place with my powder. And for my powder today, I'm going to use this one from FLORASIS. This is FLORASIS Gorgeous Peach Blossom Silk Powder. I have oily skin and I need to apply my setting powder every time I do my makeup. And this powder is amazing for oily skin because sets everything in place very nicely. Every time I use this powder, I see a difference. My makeup lasts longer, doesn't get very shiny throughout the day. So I think this will be perfect with this new hydrating foundation because this one is not very long lasting on oily skin. First, I'm going to get rid of the creases. So this is how the skin looks with and without the setting powder on. My makeup base is done, and next I'm going to test my new blush. And I have this new Guerlain Terracotta Blush. This is how the box looks like. And this is how the packaging looks like. I was not expecting for this to be this tiny, but the packaging is very nice and cute. I have this blush in the shade 05 Deep Coral. This is how the blush color looks like. We get 5 grams in this blush, has 12 months shelf life, and was made in France. The blush comes with a nice mirror, and I got this blush in this color in 05 Deep Coral because I don't have anything in my collection in this color, and I like to try new and different blush colors. So this is my first blush I test by Guerlain. I also want to try a bronzer from Guerlain. So if you want me to try a Guerlain bronzer, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do that in a future video. But for today, I'm going to test this in this color. I feel like this is a very nice and unique blush color, and I want to see how this will look on my fair skin. I also want to see if this blush will emphasize my texture, my pores, and my acne. But first I'm going to apply some on the back of my hand to see how is the texture and how is the color. I'm very excited to try this blush, so let's try it. So this is how my skin looks with and without this blush on. Okay, very nice, buildable, blendable formula. Was very easy to apply, and this color is very pretty and fresh. I like it. Let's see how my skin looks up close. Okay, this looks very pretty up close. Doesn't emphasize my pores, which is nice. And I can get over how pretty is the blush color. So for now, I'm very impressed. But I want to give you my final impressions at the end of the video after I finish with my makeup. So I'll leave this blush for now. And next I'm going to apply my bronzer, and for today I'm going to use this palette from Makeup by Mario. This is the SoftSculpt Transforming Skin Perfector by Makeup by Mario. From this palette, I use just the matte bronzer. I never use these two from here, but this matte bronzer is perfect. I like the color, I like the finish, doesn't emphasize the pores, the texture, my acne, and lasts very well all day on my skin. So this is very nice. And I'll also use this in my crease today. And next I'm going to use this eyeliner. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Color Pencil in the shade Graphite. To tight line. And I'll do just this with this eyeliner. Very easy, very simple. For everyday makeup, this is perfect. I just want to give you some updates for this Makeup Forever eyeliner. I've used it for the first time in my last video, and I have to say that this is not my favorite eyeliner. It's mentioned that this is a 24-hour waterproof and long-lasting eyeliner, but this is not waterproof and long-lasting. By the end of the day, I'll have a little bit of transfer under my eyes and on my lower lash line, but I wanted to use it again today and to give you some updates. And next I'm going to apply highlighter, and for my highlighter today I'm going to use this one from Chanel. This is Duo Lumière Illuminating Powder Duo. I'm going to apply this champagne color all over my eyelids. This is very pretty all over the eyelids for everyday makeup. And I'm going to use this white shimmer shade on my skin and on my inner corners. Next, I'm going to apply my mascara and something on my lips, and I'll quickly do this off camera and I'll be right back. So this is the finished makeup look. For my mascara, I've used this YSL Lash Clash mascara. This mascara is amazing, is my favorite at the moment. Doesn't transfer on my under eyes throughout the day. My lashes look and stay the same all day with this mascara on. So I highly recommend you to try it. And on my lips, I have just this Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Pillow Talk. I love to use just this lip liner all over the lips for my everyday makeup. I also use this as my lipstick. I love the color and this lasts all day on my lips. And if I want my makeup to last all day and to be waterproof, I use my setting spray. And my favorite setting spray is this one from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This is amazing. I feel like this is the best setting spray I've ever used. This is also good if you apply a lot of powder on the skin because this melts all the powders together and makes the skin look more natural and fresh. But this setting spray will also make your makeup last all day. So I love to use this setting spray when I really want my makeup to last all day, when I go to work or when I go out. I don't use it so much in my videos, but I use this a lot when I really want my makeup to last all day. So this is the finished makeup look. This is like my go-to natural makeup look, but I would love to know your guys' opinion in the comments down below. So please let me know if you like the finished makeup result. Now, final impressions for my new blush. I love the color. This looks very pretty on my fair skin. Has a really nice buildable and blendable formula. Doesn't look patchy, doesn't look weird, doesn't emphasize my pores, my acne, my texture. This looks even and very nice. I'll have to see how it works throughout the day, but for now I'm very impressed. This might be my new favorite blush, so I'll test this more and I'll update you about everything in my next video. I would love to know from you guys if you have this blush and if you like it, and please let me know if you want me to try something else from Guerlain, if you want me to try a Guerlain bronzer, and also let me know what other makeup products would you like me to test next. But that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you like it. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!